Hey y'all, have y'all ever ate at First Watch? We got one in Prattville a while back and I still hadn't been there, so I got it today. I got way more than I'm gonna eat, but I have to work late today, so whatever I don't eat, I can eat for supper. I ain't cooking tonight. So I got their Bob's Red Mill Cheesy Grits. Oh, it smells good. And I got their $1 Million Potatoes. Got their meal that's called the trifecta, I think, but it's eggs and bacon and a Belgian waffle. I'm excited. I used to not eat pancakes and waffles and stuff like that much because I wasn't a big sweet eater, but I think I must be like perimenopausal or something because I eat a lot of sweets now. I have to be careful. I just be telling y'all everything. Look. This looks so good. And look at them grits. Can y'all see it? They need salt, but they're so good. Who remembers salt shakers like this from Tupperware? Brings me back to my days when I was a little girl and we went camping. Mom always had these in the camper for salt and pepper. $1 Million potatoes. They better be good. And even though it's takeout, so it's been sitting there, you know how French fries and potatoes and stuff get that cream sauce in them? It's so good. I can kind of see why First Watch is a little on the expensive side, but let me tell you. Let's see what these eggs are about. The bacon looks good, and they gave me 4 pieces. It's still hard to chew something like bacon. Well, they knocking it out the park so far. Look at the powdered sugar on that waffle. What is this? Oh, that smells so good. I think it's blackberry. Ooh. Oh, that's good. And then they gave me some syrup. I'm going to try it without that stuff first, and then I'm going to try it with it. It smells delicious. I didn't make them cookies last night. When I make them, I will film it. I've never had a waffle that had this flavor. It's like, I can't put my finger on it. It's not cinnamon. I don't know, but it's good. Now I'm gonna try a bite by itself over here with some of this on it. That's good. I don't know that I want it on my whole thing because it almost tastes like putting jelly on a waffle. Ooh, I can just eat this stuff by itself though. It's like a warm homemade jam. I'm already getting full. Okay, out of all this, the waffle definitely takes the cake. Is that a thing? Is that what you're supposed to say? So it says that this batter is vanilla scented. It's vanilla tasting too. I guess it is vanilla, and then they probably put a little bit of cinnamon in that powdered sugar. 2 of those mixed together is that taste that I'm getting, but whatever it is, it's delicious. I know what I'm gonna be eating for supper. Tonight I'm gonna post something that my daughter Hannah made and filmed for us. So y'all be on the lookout for that. And I gotta go because Haley's calling me. I love you. Stay classy.